Hey guys, today I will show you how to change Dota 2 resolution outside of game. This fixes the problem when Dota 2 launches in the wrong resolution, doesn't fit your screen, or crashes before you can open settings. Open Steam, go to your library, and right-click Dota 2. Click Properties, then General. In Launch Options, type W1920 and H1080. This forces Dota 2 to start at that resolution. You can replace the numbers with your screen resolution. Launch the game and it will open using those settings. Quick tip: if the game still looks stretched, also add dash full screen to force proper scaling on ultra-wide or older monitors. And that's how to change Dota 2 resolution outside of game. Thank you so much for watching.